told, there is a Pondless Waterfall, some back here in this wooded area that we just built. See if we can find it. Be very quiet. Hunting for Pondless Waterfalls.
Be very quiet. I'm hunting.
Flashback. End of flashback.
Alright, checking out this Pondless Waterfall that the boys just finished up. This nice wooded,
in the woods,
super cool setting, super cool backyard.
in the woods,
See you back here in the woods.
in the woods.
Check this little bad boy out. It's looking pretty crispy and feels like it fits in perfectly. I don't know. What do y'all think? Alright. Very quiet. Looks like we got some visitors back here.
In the woods,
I don't know if you can see them back here.
in the woods.
Woods. Couple there.
Very
quiet.
Let's sit here in my Indian style, vibe out for a little bit in this nice little Zen garden out here in the woods.
In the woods.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with every single person you've ever met in your life, and we'll check you on the next one.
Today with C.E. Ponce. Oh, my boy, no!
Do you like me? If you do, please say.